Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're getting some snow cones. Thank you, Jade. Yeah, so we got our fix. About to head to the house and throw this Cervini wing on. See y'all at the crib. Alright, back in the garage, in the bed over there. We got the Cervini wing. My wife's lighting over here. And the fan is going. We got Jade right here as well. The lighting put over here, getting ready to put the wing on. And it's hot here in Texas. We got football going on inside, and later on tonight we will have the fight. We'll be watching the fight, Canelo Crawford. I think I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and probably do like a hyperlapse or something while I install this, so I don't have to bore you guys and so this video doesn't stretch on extra long. But before I start that, if you aren't already, go ahead and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, truly appreciate it. Trying to get to the next milestone, which is 800 subs. So if you could do that, do us a favor, tap the subscribe button, and let's get to it. Okay, change of plans. I didn't like how dark the video was on hyperlapse, so I'm just gonna go clip by clip. Got that plate off over there. As for the wing, I went ahead and wiped it down with some alcohol on that piece and added some double-sided tape along the side. That's gonna be pressed up here against the bottom. So all you do is there's 6 bolts here that you take off that plate. Don't mind my scratched up bed. Like I said before, this is not a show truck. What I am gonna do is I am gonna wipe the tailgate really good real quick before I put that wing on because it is dirty. So do that real quick and be right back with you. Okay, I don't know if y'all can tell now that the sun is beaming, but went ahead and wiped that. I'm gonna wipe it with some alcohol real quick where the 3mm tape will be touching. And I think after that we're good to go. I did buy this Cervini wing used. It was white before. Again, like I said in my other videos, shout out to Giovanni. He killed it on this paint job. So like I've heard that the original mounting hardware to this is actually like rubber, like push pins. I have some self-tapping screws that I'm going to use instead, along with some washers that have like a little rubber on the other side so it doesn't, you know, scratch the paint. Yeah, go ahead and throw this on, man. I think this is really going to give that little detail that it needs to really set it off and complement the Cervini cowl. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Okay, so got it all secured. Did have to drill a couple holes in some of these spots, and this little set that I bought package, it only came with 6 screws, so this one right here is missing one. I'm gonna run to Lowe's and go grab that because I know it's gonna bother me if I just leave it alone. But yeah, there it goes. I may pick this up and show y'all how it looks. I think it looks pretty sharp. And these are the washers I was referring to that have like rubber on one side so that you can prevent from the washer pulling the paint off when you screw it on. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go to Lowe's and go grab that other screw. Okay, I'm back. I don't think you can really see, but did get all the bolts on there. It's got little smudges, but I think it looks great, man. I will get a better video for you guys tomorrow. I'm about to go in and grub. Had to pick up some food for the fam, and the Canelo fight is already on. These are the washers for anybody that wants the number for these, and this is the number for the screws that I used. Alright. I'll see y'all guys tomorrow, man. I'm gonna pull this thing out and go eat. Alright, this is the next day. Brought the truck over here to the park. Good little spot so you guys can check out how the wing looks. Get a little look right here. Kind of see. I don't know, man. I think it looks pretty sweet. I'm digging it. Like I said earlier, really think it pairs up nicely with the cowl hood there. And the wheels, man, I've always loved these 0304 chromies. I have the wheels at the house, but man, I've been considering letting them go or possibly trading them for some 15s, because I don't really think 20s are my thing for lightnings, man. Kind of would prefer a street strip package setup. Nice little side view. Maybe from right here. Yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this combo, man. Digging it, not digging it. Spoiler, wing, not for you guys. Do you like it? Do you not? Shout out South Performance for getting this truck to 700 horsepower. And while I'm back here, let you guys check this out. I also did throw on the Flex Fuel emblem. There we go, man. Cervini wing, it is on there. What do y'all think, man? Does this sit just right? Do I need some drag radios on the rear and just keep these? Should we sell the wheels? Should we keep them? Help me decide. And yeah, man, I think that's a wrap for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoy the content. If you aren't already, like I said, do me a favor, subscribe, share this video with your friends, drop a like if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, all that good stuff, man. I really appreciate you guys, and until next time, we'll see ya. Peace.